not expecting
I
that.
know you wasn't. Let's go face up. That was an Atlas assessment. The first step.